everybody, it's Lissette here and welcome back to another video on my channel. So these are how my nails are looking right now. I'm like dying to get these done. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to start cutting the length off because they're pretty outgrown, and I do want to add either extensions or some tips. So right now I'm just cutting them short with some regular clippers. So I was undecisive on either to do forms or tips, but I decided to go with some tips. And I don't know what was in my head, y'all. I just went straight in and started adding these tips on without even prepping my nail bed. Like, I guess my mind was somewhere else when I was doing these, but I wasn't really thinking about it. I was just doing it, and I didn't even realize that I had all of the tips on, that I didn't even prep the nail bed. So like right here, I'm looking at my hands like, holy crap, I didn't even prep the nail bed. Like, okay. So instead of just ripping the tips off, I decided to just keep going, and I start pushing the cuticles back as normal, like I should have did before adding the tips. Now I'm going in with my cuticle bit, and this is on reverse. I'm working from my left to right, and I'm going to remove all of that cuticle that's stuck on the natural nail bed. When I start working from right to left to go back all over the nails again, I'm going to switch it in the forward position and do the same process. Now I am going in with a round cuticle bit, and instead of me using some cuticle clippers or some scissors, this bit will remove any extra hanging cuticle or dead skin that's left over. Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no outlet. Now I'm going in with some tip clippers, and I am going to be clipping the tip off because I want more of a coffin look. After that, I'm going in with my straight edge clippers, and I'm going to clip the sidewalls, making it a little more narrow. Coming in with my 180 grit nail file, I'm going to be filing the sidewalls and the free edge, and as well as blending that tip in. Mind you, I still haven't fully prepped the nail bed, but just still going with the flow. I'm just blending the tip in with the natural nail. The devil's in the detail, inward inside. Oh, a holy crime. But how can I hide you without an alibi? I decided to start pinching the tips because I wanted more of a C curve, and I definitely wanted it a little more narrow. So I finally come in with my 180 sanding band, and then I am going to go all over the surface of the natural nail bed as well as the tip itself, making sure that there is no oils that are left and there's no shine to them. Now I'm applying me a Secret Nail Dehydrator, and then I am going to be adding a very thin layer of clear rubber base coat and curing that for 60 seconds in an LED UV lamp. After that, I'm going to be adding a thin layer of the Nude GelPot number 3, and this is going to be my protective layer for when I decide to remove these nails. I could easily file it back to this layer. After I'm applying that, I'm going to be curing that for 60 seconds. going to be using Don't Be Such a Pansy by Light Elegance. This is really pretty bright coral color, and I'm going to be adding it to the thumb, the pointer, and the pinky finger, and I'm going to be curing that for 60 seconds. I'm only going to be applying it halfway up and then blending it upwards because this is going to be ombre nails. Now I'm going in with Mia Secret's Forma Gel, and this is Cover Blush, and this is more of a full coverage, so I'm going to be applying that layer first, covering it over just slightly halfway to the coral color, blending it downwards, and this is going to help the blends from the cover blush to the coral color flow more naturally. Once I apply that, I blend it downwards, and then I flash cure that for 30 seconds and move on to the next nail. Now I'm going in with the Nude GelPot number 3, and this is more of a sheer pink. And I'm going to go back on top of the nude, and then I'm going to blend that downwards as well. I couldn't go in with this color straight off the bat because it is a sheer pink. It wouldn't have blended in properly with the coral. That's why I did add the Mia Secret's cover blush just to blend it in a little more, and it helps the ombre effect. And I do cure it for at least 30 seconds before moving on to the next nail. Now I'm going to be taking 2 Straws, 1 Shake, Pixie Party, and Don't Be Such a Pansy, all by Light Elegance, and then I'm going to be doing 2 designs on the ring finger and the middle finger. And I had no idea what kind of design I wanted. I was just laying it on. So I did clean the brush in between me picking up the colors because I didn't want the colors to mix. So like I said, I'm just laying it on. I had no plan for this, so I'm just gonna let you guys watch and see what I come up with. When I'm happy with the design that I laid, I end up curing it for 30 seconds and then moved on to the next nail.
Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. Took my hands without an alibi.
Now I'm going in and I'm going to start capping all of the nails, and I am going to be using clear builder gel. When I do one nail, I cure that first for 30 seconds and then I move on to the next nail. After I do all the fingers, I go back and stick my hand back in the light for an additional 60 seconds. Now I'm going to clean off that sticky layer with some alcohol and a lint-free wipey, and then I am going in with my 100-180 grit nail file, and I'm going to be filing the side walls and the free edge.
monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got no alibi. It's a lover's fight without an alibi. You took my hands without an alibi.
Now I'm taking my ceramic drill bit and I'm working with this at a medium to high speed. I am focusing on sealing that cuticle area, making sure there is no ledge and it's sealed so no like water or no lifting will happen. I'm also going all over top to just smooth it and shape it a little more.
Smoking gun, you got me on the run. We know there will come. We're up till dawn. But how can I hide you without an alibi? It's a lover's fight without an alibi.
Now I'm just taking orange buffing block and I'm going to be buffing over the top, smoothing it over, prepping it for clear top coat.
Everything that brought me alive. Oh, we're all like monsters, playing with the monsters. They brought me alive, but got
After cleaning it off with some alcohol, removing the dust, I'm going in with Extreme Shine Top Coat and I'm going to be applying that all over the nails and then I will be curing that for 60 seconds.
took my hands without an alibi.
And this is what the nails look like. I'm pretty happy with it considering I had no idea what kind of design I wanted to go for. And this orange color is super pretty, this coral color I meant. Anyways, thank you everyone for taking the time out to watch this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please make sure you guys are following me on all of my social media accounts and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in the next one.